Tornadoes! Tornadoes are violently rotating columns of air that extend from a thunderstorm down to the ground. They form when warm, moist air meets cold, dry air, creating instability in the atmosphere. Under the right conditions, this instability begins to rotate, eventually tightening into a funnel. Some tornadoes last only a few minutes, while others can stay on the ground for over an hour, carving long paths of destruction. Their strength varies widely, from relatively weak twisters that damage trees and roofs, to powerful ones capable of leveling entire neighborhoods. What makes tornadoes especially dangerous is how quickly they form and how unpredictable their paths can be. In many cases, people have only minutes to seek shelter, which is why early warning systems and awareness are so important. Hurricanes. Hurricanes are massive storm systems that develop over warm ocean waters and draw their energy from heat and moisture as warm air rises from the ocean surface. It creates a low-pressure system that begins to rotate due to the Earth's motion. Over time, this system can grow into a powerful storm with strong winds, heavy rain, and a clearly defined eye at its center. Hurricanes can span hundreds of kilometers and last for days or even weeks. One of their most dangerous features is storm surge, where ocean water is pushed inland, flooding coastal areas. Even after landfall, hurricanes continue to cause damage through intense rainfall and strong winds. Their scale and duration make them one of the most impactful. Natural disasters for coastal regions. Earthquakes. Earthquakes occur when energy stored in the Earth's crust is suddenly released, causing the ground to shake. This usually happens along fault lines, where large sections of the Earth's plates move against each other. The shaking can last from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on the strength of the quake. In powerful earthquakes, buildings can collapse, roads can crack, and entire landscapes can shift. One of the most challenging aspects of earthquakes is that they strike without warning, leaving little time to react. Aftershocks often follow, sometimes causing additional damage to already weakened structures. In certain cases, earthquakes can also trigger other disasters, such as landslides or tsunamis, making their impact even more widespread. Floods. Floods happen when water overflows onto land that is usually dry, often as a result of heavy rainfall, melting snow, or storm surges. They can develop gradually over time or occur suddenly as flash floods, which rise quickly and move with great force. Floodwaters can cover roads, enter homes, and disrupt entire communities. Even a small amount of moving water can be strong enough to sweep away vehicles or people. Beyond the immediate danger, floods can contaminate water supplies, damage infrastructure, and leave lasting economic impacts. In many parts of the world, floods are the most common natural disaster, affecting millions of people each year. Their frequency and wide reach make them a constant concern in both urban and rural areas. Wildfires. Wildfires are uncontrolled fires that spread rapidly through vegetation, often fueled by dry conditions, heat, and wind. They can start naturally, such as from lightning strikes, or be caused by human activity. Once ignited, a wildfire can move quickly across forests, grasslands, and even into residential areas. The speed and direction of the fire often depend on wind patterns and the type of vegetation available as fuel. In addition to destroying homes and natural habitats, wildfires produce thick smoke that can travel long distances, affecting air quality and health. In recent years, changing climate conditions have contributed to longer fire seasons and more intense fires, making them an increasing global concern. Volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions occur when molten rock, gases, and ash escape from beneath the Earth's surface through a volcano. Pressure builds up over time in underground chambers until it is released in an eruption. Some eruptions are slow and produce flowing lava, while others are explosive, sending ash clouds high into the atmosphere. These ash clouds can disrupt air travel and spread across large regions. Lava flows can destroy anything in their path, while volcanic gases can be harmful to both people and the environment. In some cases, eruptions can even influence global temperatures by blocking sunlight. Living near a volcano can be risky, but many communities still do so because of fertile soil and other natural benefits. Tsunamis. Tsunamis are powerful ocean waves usually caused by underwater earthquakes, landslides, or volcanic eruptions. When the seafloor suddenly shifts, it displaces a large volume of water, creating waves that travel across the ocean at high speeds. In deep water, these waves may go unnoticed, but as they approach the shore, they slow down and grow dramatically in height. When they reach land, they can flood coastal areas with tremendous force, sweeping away buildings, vehicles, and people. Unlike regular waves, tsunamis can arrive in a series, with the first wave not always being the largest. Their sudden arrival and immense power make them one of the most devastating natural disasters for coastal communities. Blizzards. Blizzards are severe snowstorms characterized by strong winds, heavy snowfall, and very low visibility. These storms can last for hours or even days, creating dangerous conditions for anyone caught outside. The combination of wind and snow can reduce visibility to near zero, making travel extremely hazardous. Snow accumulation can block roads, collapse roofs, and disrupt power lines, leading to widespread outages. In addition to the physical dangers, blizzards bring extreme cold, increasing the risk of hypothermia and frostbite. Even after the storm passes, communities may take days to recover due to snow removal and damaged infrastructure. Their impact is especially significant in regions unprepared for such intense winter conditions.